What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. 2010 BMW 135i. Converters right there, true dual all the way back, converters there, then it wides into a single from BMW there, then 2.5-inch pipe, and we continued that and did a muffler delete on it. As you guys can see there, the muffler usually comes all the way around. I'll show it to you guys in a second. And then we put them a new tip out the back, a double tip right there. The old muffler is right here. That's the one we just took off right there. Weird looking shape, but I don't know why they did it like that. BMWs, they're good at all that stuff. Extra over-engineered. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. Was it a lot quieter than this? I didn't hear it, so. That sounds good. Here's sound decibels. Again? That's a decibel meter too. 101. Go on and back it out. That sounds so good, dude. No. Sounds really nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. BMW 1 Series, as you guys can see, right there. Fully straight pipe, other than the catalytic converters, with a double tip.